Hey everybody, Chris from Hot Shot Oven and Kiln. Today, our video is going to be about Pyrolite Easy Fill. What is Pyrolite Easy Fill? It's an easy to use repair filler for your kiln fiber in case you are to damage it when you're moving stuff in and out, or in case you get those nuisance cracks from the oven expanding and contracting. Now, expanding and contracting in the fiber is totally normal, and so are cracks in your fiber. So don't worry, but if you don't find it aesthetically pleasing, you can definitely use the Pyrolite Easy Fill to smooth that out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you today how to do it, and step by step, and hope you like the video. So don't get intimidated by this. It's very simple to do. The first thing you're gonna need is your caulk gun, your tube of Pyrolite Easy Fill, a putty knife, and some sandpaper. I'm using 120 grit for this. Sometimes you might need to use a little bit more aggressive of a grit if you build it up too much and you want to really smooth it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the cap from our caulk gun with the Pyrolite Easy Fill in it. We're going to make sure that we clean this off, so I already pre-did that, so this is nice and clean. If you're doing it inside your kiln, you're going to want to make sure that you unplug your kiln first. We always want to make sure we're safe and we don't take any risks there. You can also vacuum the inside of your kiln, but you want to make sure that you stay 2 inches away from the thermocouple controller to avoid static damage. Now here, this is just an example. So we have a piece that's removed from the kiln. And what we're going to do is we're going to generously fill this gouge with the Pyrolite Easy Fill. And then we're going to push it down into the gouge with our putty knife and smooth it out. And as you can see, we got that filled in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit until it's dry, about 24 hours. Want to make sure that it's dry before we fire it. And this is what it'll look like afterwards. And we're just going to take our sandpaper and smooth it out. And it's nice and smooth, finished product, and you're ready to fire your kiln again. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it informative and we hope you liked it. For more videos, visit us on our socials or visit us on our website. Have a great day.